My name is Luke Burks, I'm the owner of X Martial Arts Schools, and today's tutorial is how to tie your martial arts belt, okay? There's a few different ways to tie the martial arts belt, but we're going to show you what works for us and for what we've done all through our martial arts journey. So you need to get your martial arts belt and we want to split it in half, so divide it, okay? And then once you've got that, we need to bring this front and center on your waistband, okay? And we start to bring that around. My side of the belt, which is in my right hand, that is going to tuck underneath, okay? So I tuck that underneath and I keep bringing that all the way around. You see how I'm continuing to tuck that under till I get back to the center, okay? What I've got left in this hand, this side, I'm keeping that nice and tight on top, and I'm tucking that on top again until I get back to the center, but there's a little bit of a crossover, okay? That then tucks under both of those parts of the belt, okay? So I'm going under 2 layers of belt there and I am pulling through. What you need to do now is you need to just turn your belt, give it a little tidy up, okay? And the aim of this now is to try and get both ends of the belt the same length once it's tied. So again, I'm just tidying up and making sure this is all in one continuous piece. It's not crossed over and one's higher than the other. From here, I'm going to give that a pull and I'm going to bring the end which is on the bottom over and underneath. Okay, so it goes over and underneath, tuck down the gap that we've made, and then pull that through. Again, adjust your knot to tidy and then try and get your ends the same length, okay? So again, you want a nice tight knot and we want to try and get the ends the same length, one continuous band all the way around.